Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Howzat and signing in. Make sure your two-factor authentication is complete. Once logged in, go straight to Profile, then Settings, then Backup. You select the Only Way mode here because it preserves match lineups and unique tokens. After choosing Only Way, tap Create Backup and wait for the progress indicator to reach 100%. This step locks in the exact roster state. Do not close the app while the backup writes to your account storage. Once the backup completes, you verify its timestamp and file size to confirm it's not truncated. Next, tap Export and pick Cloud or Local Storage. Choose Cloud if you switch devices often. Make sure to name the file with match and date so you can identify it quickly later. If you plan to restore, note any required passphrase. Only Way backups can be encrypted. Finally, confirm the backup appears in your chosen location before proceeding to close the app. To restore, you open Backup and choose Restore, then select the Only Way file. You confirm overwrite prompts and watch the app rebuild match lineups and settings. This can take a few minutes. After restoration, inspect rosters and tokens to ensure integrity. If something goes wrong, re-export the original backup and attempt restore again. If failures persist, note the backup ID and timestamp, then contact Howzat support. Supplying that ID lets them trace the backup and resolve issues faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.